Hello, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm so excited. I have some more Maremi Small Art collage books to share with you. So let's get started. This is the package that came in from Amazon. I got 2 packages. I'm going to unbox both of them. I opened them up already so that I would know for sure these were the right ones. And here we go. So this is the first one. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Victorian Christmas stories. Okay, so it's Maremi Small Art. You see Maremi's Illustrazioni for art journaling, collage, and card making. Maremi Small Art by Marta Lepkowska. I just love her stuff, so I'm so excited I'm going to be able to share this with you. And make sure that you get the right ones, though, okay? Because there's some out that kind of look like they're her stuff, but they're really not. So I think you can tell by the, her name on the front of the cover. Here's the other box that I have, so I'm going to unbox those too. Because I couldn't help myself. I had to go for the other 2 books that she has out right now too, called Winter Tales and When Snow Falls. Okay, so the Winter Tales is it's like one of her overall type of collage books. It's got all kinds of different things in it, including backgrounds. So this is really cute with a little girl with her glasses on. Oh, he's so cute. It's just adorable. And here's When Snow Falls, which is mostly all backgrounds. This is the number 7 out of a series of the background books. So you can see the Maremi's backgrounds. So if you're interested in these books, you can find them on Amazon and throughout different countries. She's, I think, in Ireland, but she, has the books they were available in the United States this past weekend, I think, or right before Thanksgiving. I got mine and I can't wait to show them to you now. I'm going to do it in 2 parts so that I can show this one specifically in full and not have to rush. Hopefully I'm in the frame there. Yeah, it looks like I'm good. Maybe I could zoom out just a little bit. Zoomed in too much. I don't want to cut off any of the parts of these books at all. They're so cute and adorable. So let's get to it. Okay, so again, these are from Maremi Small Art. If you search for them on Amazon, you'll be able to find them. And I'll put information in the description about them too. They're just so wonderfully done by Marta that I'm really excited to be able to showcase them. Here's a page of all the different books that she has. She's got a great collection already out. If you want, you could, scan that QR code to see all of the collection. I think it'll take you right to Amazon. But right away, we start with some really adorable little people, little boys and girls. I love that the boys are added. We have all. Oh, there's another QR code to scan. Okay, she's got so many books. It takes up 2 pages now. Oh, look at these ornaments. Wow, those are great. Those are really nice. Very pretty. And one thing I really appreciate with Marta's books is that she puts on the other page, from the cutout page. So on the opposite of the cutout page, there's always something, pretty easy to cut and doesn't give you much of a background. The backing isn't very different or has different pictures on it. The pictures are only on one side, so that's good. So when you cut it out, you can always use this backing. Obviously, you can use this in your journaling and card making. Also, there are many all the pages have that, so you can cut it out, and there's also usually a page at the end that will have it so you can have a page that you don't have to cut, you know, all these wonderful designs out of. If that makes sense. Oh, look at this little guy. It's a birthday. Boy, or he's getting a present for Christmas. Oh, very cute. So, yeah, so her books, I have some other books too that are from Christmas, specifically from last year, which I want to share also because I didn't get a chance to share those yet. Look at all the words. That's great. Oh, look at these like castle-like buildings and clock towers. Very unique. I love the stuff she comes up with, like what she finds to use in her collections. Just, oh, bows. Bows are very trendy right now. So that's great. Obviously, the bows on the little girls. I love that these are like, you know, dressed up in Victorian clothes. These children are just so unique and different. Beautiful backgrounds. Look at him hugging the Christmas tree. Oh, that is so pretty. Like magical. Look at those. Look how adorable these. I love these children. They're with their big eyes. Yeah, they're just, and they're happy. I love that. It's Christmas time. I'm not gonna switch the book on pages that are sideways like that. You can see it. I find that's too hard to deal with. I have arthritis. My hands get, you know, it's hard for me to do that. Go back and forth and stuff. And it doesn't help with the video. Look how, just like a grandma. I love it. Grandmas are trending right now too. I think that's something that a lot of people, you know, like grandma's Christmas type of thing. Ah, cute. These are just so like unique and fun. The colors are so good together. The grays and the pinks and the blues. Oh, look at these little puppies. These are great for collaging, decoupage. You know, if you do any kind of journaling, art journaling, junk journaling, any, you know, just planning, if you want to put them in your planner. If you want to use them in card making, they're perfect for that type of thing. ATCs, which is artist trading cards. Look at these stained glass windows. Those are awesome. You can cut things out fairly easily because she does put them in like sections usually, so that's good. I like that because it makes it much easier to cut out. Things like this can be cut out with even with like a Brother Scan and Cut or Cricut. I'm not sure if, you know, I only have a Brother Scan and Cut, so I don't know how easy it is to cut out with a Cricut. But I think, you know, or any kind of electronic machine, but you can do it, I'm sure. Oh, a whole page of boys. How cute. I have one son. I only have one son who just left to go back to college today. So we had a wonderful Thanksgiving with family. We were so happy that we got to spend Thanksgiving with a lot of my family and my sister's house. And we had a wonderful time. We played all kinds of games. We had so much fun. And we got to take our son out to dinner several times with friends, and you know, we had so much fun with him. You know, I love having our son home. He's a wonderful kid. Excuse me, I'm sorry. He's a wonderful adult. He's not a kid anymore. He's 22 now. He just turned 22. So, and he is a wonderful person. So I want to you know, make sure you get to see these books. I think they're very special and unique. And so make sure you check out the other videos I have on my YouTube channel. I have a whole bunch of Maremi small art books from Marta that I just buy them on my own. Look at all the poinsettias, how beautiful. And stars, wow. yeah, I just get these because I love them. I think they're so cool and so much fun. I haven't even cut into most of my books because I just love looking at them right now, but I am planning to use a lot of it soon. Oh, look at the oh, the animals are so cute with their bow ties and they're dressed up. It's kind of, you know, unique stuff here. So here's a bonus page. Marta always has wonderful bonus pages that she adds with some other characters from that might be, you know, that are different from the main part of the book, so you can get a little extra, which is great. And this one's from, I guess, a steampunk type of industrial book that she also has a whole bunch of that in her collections too. I mainly do the seasonal ones just because that's my type of thing that I enjoy. But here, you know, so she gives you some good information. There she is. You can join her Cut and Collage Facebook group, which is what I'm on. Here's one of the sheets that's like very detailed of the backing. Yeah, so that is the, oh, and look at the back. Oh, so pretty. Just like, you know, very lacy and delicate looking. So that's Victorian Christmas stories. So that's great, Marta. You did a great job. I think that one's really, really beautiful. I love it. And so I'm gonna end this video so that I can come back and go over these other two books, Winter Tales and Backgrounds and When Snow Falls. So make sure you come right back for the next video. I hope to see you there. Make sure you subscribe so you know when it comes out, and look for all of these other great books by Maremi Small Art and all my other flip-throughs. Thank you. Bye.